All right, boys and girls, it's our last letter direct drawing for what sound, zzz, what sound, zzz, what sound, zzz. How do I write zzz, Z? So it's our last one. And we're going to do a zebra. So I'm going to do a rectangle, a small rectangle, leave some space, and then an oval for his body. So go ahead and do that. I made mine a little big. Let me try again. Rectangle there. And then oval more down here. There we go. All right, then I'm going to go back and add in his neck. But I'm going to erase this part right here so it looks like it's connected all the way. Okay, go ahead and do that. Here's your zebra's neck and body and his face. All right, we're going to add 4 legs with little rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's his legs. Okay, we're going to go back to his face. We're going to do 2 ears on the top. I'm going to fix the top part of his face to be a little bit more round now. And do a line there. I'm going to have his nose and his mouth. And give him an eye. So go ahead and do his face. Alright, and then he has stripes. So I'm going to put stripes all down his body here. Alright, stripes on his neck. Now I'm going to do stripes on his body. And coming up the other way. Alright, and I'm going to add some on his legs. Alright, now we're going to add his tail. Right here, and then a little bit of some hair on it down here. And then we're going to go back and add some of his mane right here. Alright, and we have our zebra. So what sound? Zzz. What sound? Zzz. What sound? Zzz. How do I write zzz? Z. Zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. And then you can go back in and they have pink on the inside of his ears. So we'll go back in and do the coloring. Zebras are black and white, so I can leave most of his body how it is. They have this part is pink. Let me see if I can color over it, like some of it I can. Let's see, let me see if I can go back and color over it. Yep, okay, good. Alright, and then the rest of it, it just has his stripes colored in black. Okay, so you're going to go through and you can color his stripes in black. And the rest of his body can stay white, so you won't have to color that. So just go back in and fill in his stripes. Let's think of some other things that start with what sound? Zzz, what sound? Zzz, what sound? Zzz, how do I write zzz? Z. So let's try to think of some other things besides zebra. What else starts like zzz? The first thing I thought of was zipper. Zipper. Then the vegetable zucchini. Ooh, that's one of my favorite vegetables. I love zucchini. Zucchini. The boy named Zach or Zachary, I thought of. Alright, what else? The number 0. 0 starts like Z. What else starts with Z? Zigzag. Zigzags start with Z. Both zig and zag start with Z. Almost done here. Just finishing coloring in his stripes. And then we will have zebra. Oh, zoo, where the zebra can live at the zoo. Zoo starts with Z. Zookeeper, the person who takes care of the animals. Zookeeper. All right, and there you have your zebra. It's our last direct drawing for the alphabet. Boys and girls, I hope you enjoy doing these direct drawings with our animals and our letters.